Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best smart wallet in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Bifold Slim Minimalist Front Pocket RFID Blocking Leather Wallets for Men Women. Leather, polyester lining, magnetic closure, dry cloth clean, stylish small, slim and discreet. Measuring just 3 1/8 x 4 7/16 x 1/9. Our RFID front pocket slim wallet is super thin and modernly slim. It's the minimalist wallet that fits perfectly in your pocket, purse, or travel pack. Plenty of room. 8 slots easily load your driver's license, credit cards, debit cards, and membership cards, making your work and travel more convenient. Effective ElectronicsProducts case RFID signals. Outfitted with advanced RDIF blocking technology, these slim wallets for men and women block electronic signals to keep your identity protected while you travel, shop, or explore. Made from LE880R. Crafted out of leather, our minimalist wallet sleeve combines luxurious style and the trends of today with functionality and durability you can depend on when traveling, shopping, etc. Number 4. The Ridge Minimalist Slim Wallet for Men. RFID blocking front pocket credit card holder. Aluminum metal small men's wallets with cash strap. Black. Lifetime guarantee. We chose our military-grade materials for their durability and, in turn, created a wallet that'll last a lifetime, guaranteed. If you ever feel your wallet isn't functioning properly, you can make a claim, and we'll do our best to make it right. This includes the replacements of elastic, screws, money clip, and cash strap plate. Each purchase of the Ridge is just the beginning of many years of you carrying a better wallet. RFID blocking. Breathe easy because your cards will be surrounded by the metal body of this wallet, protecting them from even the most powerful RFID chip readers. Functional and slim. Holds 1 to 12 cards without stretching out. Number 3. Bifold Men's Slim Wallet with Money Clip AUS10 RFID Blocking Bifold Credit Card Holder for Men with Gift Box. Fox Leather Lining. Bifold Closure. Dry Cloth Clean. Functional and slim. The designer wallet offers 11 card pockets. The outside notch allows you to push out the cards easily. Ideal for carrying business, credit cards, and bills. Industry TSTD Security. Tested by an independent German Quality Control Institute. Our wallets block the 13.56 mAh band and protect against data theft by RFID scanners. RFID CLI. The metal money clip allows you to clip several bills inside your wallet. Refined and stylish. Designed in Germany to best combine elegance, quality, and convenience. Slim down your pocket. We kept the dimensions of our slim wallet to 4.5 x 3.1 x 0.6. It will fit in your pocket P. Number 2. Voltskin Chelsea Slim Minimalist Front Pocket Leather Wallet with RFID blocking for men with gift box. Leather. Leather lining. No closure. Dry cloth clean. Refined and stylish. Designed and written to best combine elegance, comfort, and convenience. Chelsea Minimalist Front Pocket Wallet is made of luxurious top-grain genuine Italian leather, which is both soft and durable, ensuring a sophisticated feel and look. RFID blocking. Our high-end RFID protector prevents electronic pickpocketing. Your credit cards are protected from RFID theft, specifically 13.56 mAh RFID/NFC standard. Feels safe when you travel. Functional and slim. Chelsea's 3 pockets hold up to 10 cards. 1 to 2 in the front pocket, up to 5 in the inner RFID protected pocket, and up to 3 cards in the back pocket. Number 1. Velroy Hide and Seek Wallet. Slim leather bifold design. RFID protected. Holds 5 to 12 cards. Coin pouch. Flat note section. Hidden pocket. Leather lining. Bifold closure. Dry cloth clean. Less than all greater than less than lie greater than slim profile with a classic aesthetic. A great starting point to slimming your pocket. Less than / lie greater than. Protection against RFID theft. Credit card skimming. Best suited to 5 to 12 cards plus flat bills. Less than lie greater than made from environmentally certified top-grain leather. And backed by a 3-year warranty. Less than / lie greater than less than lie greater than measures 3.3 inches tall x 4.5 inches wide /85 mm tall, 115 mm wide, less than /lie greater than less than /all greater than, traditional in appearance, progressive in features. The hide and seek is for those who want more out of their wallet, while remaining true to existing aesthetics.